Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can remove Face ID data on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to go down and tap on biometrics and security. Next, tap on face recognition. In here, put in your screen pin, and after that, tap on remove face data. Now go down here and it said features that uses face recognition will be turned off. So tap on the remove to proceed. And that's it. So from now on, if you need to use Face ID, you need to register for your face recognition. And finally, you can tap on the home button at the bottom to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.